Today we have a 1968 Mercedes-Benz 280SL Pagoda. It is a fresh nut and bolt restoration completed in 2026. It took over 4,500 hours. The car was sold new in Germany and remained in Germany until we bought it in 2021. This video is going to be more of a general overview video. I will have a lot more videos going in detail in certain components and aspects of the vehicle. It is finished in anthracite gray metallic over cognac leather interior. New Michelin tires in the correct factory size. These were over 400 euros a piece. We have new fenders and rear quarters from Mercedes-Benz. All of them are spot welded just like they would have been at the factory. Perfect metal fitment and gaps. Doors close amazing. A lot of time went into the metal fitment and fitment of everything else. New glass everywhere. Amazing paint finish. You can see the reflection there. Color matched 14-inch hubcaps. This is a real Euro car, so it does have the Euro headlights. They're Bosch. We redid the headlight fender notches with tin. New OEM hood emblem. Correct grille hardware. All the chrome has been refinished to a very high standard. You can see the reflection there. Again, headlight fender notch. Cognac leather interior. These are not seat covers. We sourced the leather from KHM in Germany, and then we custom make the leather to the specific seat. So this is not a kit. We fabricated this after we sourced the leather. It's cognac. Wood's restored in the correct satin open grain finish. Excellent fitment along there. Excellent glove box fitment. You can see how it's straight across the line. No wood lifting from the dash. Showing 103 kilometers, or just over 60 miles from the restoration. Correct multi-loop carpeting. It is a 4-speed manual. Same thing with the door panels as the seats. Everything is new on this car, even the hidden components. Everything behind this door is new or restored. There's not a nut or bolt that has not been touched on here. Again, you can see all the spot welds on the rear quarter. Correct locking gas cap with the Mercedes logo. You can see the rear finish on the chrome. There's our plaque when we performed the restoration, mounted on the trunk. Custom made luggage that we designed. Carpeted floor mat, matches interior. This is new. Trunk floor is all spot welded and new. Spot welds here, all the way along. All of the gauges have been restored in Germany. It has a 327 rear end, which the tachometer and speedometer has been matched to. Let's start it up. Starts right up, idles well. See the top of the dash here. New visors in the correct color. All new hardware. We did add 3-point harnesses for modern safety. Original numbers matching hood. Original body matching hood numbers. It is a numbers matching engine. Completely rebuilt. All the plating. Correct firewall pad. All the spot welds are here, as well as that fender. Also have the body match number on the convertible boot cover. Brown soft top. Let's take one final walk around the vehicle running. It's amazing fit and finish. Again, no expense was spared on this. Even inside of here, all the hardware is new. I have lots of pictures underneath the car. 5 years worth of work, freshly done. Get close up of the seats here. There you have it, 1968 Mercedes-Benz 280SL, fresh 4,500 hour restoration, anthracite gray metallic over cognac leather interior. A lot more information and videos coming. Stay tuned.